Hey, hello everybody, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and give me a thumbs up. Today we're going to talk a little bit about the DJI Mini 2. This is a cool little drone, and you're going to see it flying around here in the background a little bit. But I'm going to tell you some rookie mistakes that I made today flying my drone. Number one, so as you can see, I'm walking around over here a little bit. I don't have any video today because I made a rookie mistake. You're going to see the drone flying back and forth and around. When you're flying your drone and you want to record, you got to remember to hit the doggone record button. I hit it. I had it recording when it was sitting on the table before I took off. But my rookie mistake, again, I'm telling you, this is a beginner's video. Or it could be for some of you old guys like me that just can't remember nothing. I was practicing taking off and landing a couple of times before I start flying around the park here. And I had it on record, and I took off, and I landed, and it shut off. And when it shut off, it shut the camera off. So the next time I took off, I didn't have enough brain power to remember to click the record button again on my remote. So it didn't record any from the drone. Number two mistake, I had two cameras out there. The one that you're looking at now, it's just a handy cam, and it's not very high quality, so the picture's not that good. You know, that's another rookie mistake. I mean, this will record up to 4K, but it's only recording now 1080 because I haven't changed the settings. I've only flown it 2 or 3 times, so I've only had it about a week. So I guess I could say this is my 1 week review. It's a lot of fun. But I was in the park and I was just flying it around the trees and stuff. You know, about head height. There wasn't nobody else at the park, so there wasn't no danger in hurting anybody or anything. But another thing that I want to suggest to DJI, the remote. This is a fantastic remote. It's got a good feel to it. It's heavy, but there's one downfall, and I've noticed it on all the remotes that I've seen for the drones, for the controllers. When you pull this out to put your phone in here, if you have a case on your phone, it will not fit. It will not fit. Everybody I know that has a cell phone has a protective case on it. And you have to take your phone out of your case to get it to fit on the drone. That to me is a huge mistake, because you drop your controller, you drop your phone's broke. But if you had it in your protective case and could put it on your controller, then you know it would protect it. But that is really the only gripe that I have with all this stuff is the holder here is not wide enough to accept your phone with your protective case on your phone. So DJI, when you're redesigning, take that into consideration, please. But other than that, this thing flies phenomenal. You can see it up above me over here. And I was having fun with it, buzzing around, going fast and slow, going at the camera real fast and stuff. But it didn't record because I had a brain freeze, and yeah, I was going to say something else. Had a brain freeze, and I wasn't recording. Another thing is your batteries. Make sure your batteries are charged up, and you can test them by pushing this little button on the end here and holding it for a second, and then let it go, and it'll tell you that your batteries are fully charged. And then also, what I figured out, if you read the directions, you probably figured it out too. But you take your little C USB cable and plug it in here. and then plug it into your power source, and you can charge the battery that's in the drone right in the drone without taking it out. Now, I do take the card out of the drone and plug it into my computer when I'm downloading my video from the drone or my pictures. The DJI, I'm going to try to do a video every day if I can, but sometimes it don't work out. This is day 3 that I didn't do a video, and I don't have any drone video because I can't remember to turn the camera on. So you guys get your drone out and go flying. Oh, there was one other thing. When you're flying this drone, if you haven't bought one and you're thinking about buying one, I would suggest buying this because this is the easiest thing you ever did in your life as far as flying something. This is easy. They made it easy. But another thing I don't really like about it, when you're flying and you want to turn, it turns flat just like that. It'll turn. You cannot get it to bank and turn like I've seen some drones on YouTube do, which are not these. So when you're videoing or you're flying your drone, it's going to go flat like this, and when you turn it, it's going to go doop 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 like that, and back around, and then out. So it don't do this. It will do this if it's sitting still. It won't pitch and roll. It kind of, I'm gonna call it square corner turning. So that square corner turns. It goes doop 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 doop, but stays pretty flat. So I don't know. That might not be a deal breaker for everybody. It's not a deal breaker for me because it's still, you would not believe it's a lot of fun. Oh, and another thing that DJI could address, which a lot of people want the function for it to follow you, to follow me. I mean, I've heard people say that you can do it with this drone. You can make it follow you. But I think it's more tracking. I don't think it's following. It will sit there and go around and kind of follow you where you're going. But the drone don't actually move and start following you. Follow me mode needs to be in the next update for the software for the drone, because a lot of people want it for that. And when I'm out riding my bike, I would like to be able to do some recording with the drone if it would follow. But so far, I have not gotten it to do that. If you have one of these and you know how to do that, please post the link below. Make a video, post a link below on how to make it follow you, not track you, but follow you. Okay, I've wasted enough of your time about the DJI Mini 2 drone. You guys have a great day. Go out and fly your drone. And I'll have another video for you soon, and hopefully it'll include some of the video, like over there where I'm at, over there. A little droney. He's over there. Yeah, maybe I can get some video from the drone to show you if the old man's brain will work. So I'll talk to you later. You guys have a fantastic day.